Tired of cleaning the house all the way down? ILIFE ShineBot can take your turn to do the rest of the work. Add clean water and it's ready to go. ShineBot W400 TidalPower Cleaning System works in 4 steps: moisten, scrub, suction, and scrape to thoroughly clean household stains. No matter soda, ketchup, or coffee stains. It tackles thick household stains and builds you a spotless home. And it keeps clear of the areas that you don't want it to clean, leaving a safe space for you. Turn on the edge cleaning mode. Nothing can hide from the edges and corners. Its strong suction ensures to refresh your house when it passes by. ILIFE ShineBot, the intelligent floor washing robot.